Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the incredible world of mango plants and uncovering 20 amazing benefits they offer. From the sun-drenched orchards of the tropics to your very own kitchen, the mango tree, Mangifera indica, is a marvel of nature, a provider of delicious fruit, and as we'll learn, so much more. Join me as we explore the surprising ways these botanical wonders contribute to our well-being and the health of our planet. Stay tuned. Mango plants are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that are crucial for overall health. Consuming mangoes can significantly boost your immune system, keeping you healthy and strong. Mango leaves have been traditionally used to manage diabetes by regulating blood sugar levels. Chapter 4: Digestion Perfected. Mangoes contain enzymes that aid in digestion and promote a healthy gut. Chapter 5: A radiant glow naturally. The vitamins in mangoes help in maintaining healthy and glowing skin. Chapter 6: Windows to the Soul. Rich in vitamin A, mangoes are excellent for maintaining good vision. Chapter 7: Battling cholesterol. Mangoes contain fiber and pectin that help in lowering bad cholesterol levels. Chapter 8: A sweet aid to weight loss. Low in calories and high in fiber, mangoes are a great addition to a weight loss diet. Chapter 9: The cancer-fighting potential. Certain compounds in mangoes have been found to have anti-cancer properties. Chapter 10: A healthy heart beats on. Mangoes are beneficial for heart health due to their high potassium and magnesium content. Chapter 11: Food for thought. The vitamins and minerals in mangoes support brain health and cognitive function. Chapter 12: Nurturing new life. Mangoes provide essential nutrients that are beneficial during pregnancy. Chapter 13: Mangoes help in maintaining the body's pH balance by alkalizing it. Chapter 14: The vitamins in mangoes promote healthy hair growth and prevent hair loss. Chapter 15. Various parts of the mango plant are used in traditional medicine for their healing properties. Chapter 16. Cooling the fires of inflammation. Mangoes contain compounds that help in reducing inflammation in the body. Chapter 17. Keeping blood pressure in check. The potassium in mangoes helps in regulating blood pressure levels. Chapter 18. Antioxidants, nature's defense system. Mangoes are rich in antioxidants that protect the body from free radicals. Chapter 19. Building strong bones naturally. The calcium and vitamin K in mangoes contribute to strong and healthy bones. Chapter 20. A sustainable future. Mango plants play a role in environmental sustainability by providing oxygen and improving soil quality. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the benefits of mango plants, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. The mango, a true gift of nature, offering us a wealth of benefits for our health and the well-being of our planet. See you next time.